Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave. To display our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2014 Hyundai I20 Active hatch. Stock reference number 4104. The shape runs from the 7th month 2010 through to the 12th month 2015. It has a G4 FA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4 FA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right-hand front and also has light hail. We have the radiator grille. Left-hand headlight does have light sun cracks. Left front guard, one small dent and a light scratch. This vehicle is fitted with 14-inch steel rims. Left front is a bald tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear 14-inch steel rim with a bald tyre. Left tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate has a light hail on top edge. Right rear 14-inch steel rim with a bald tyre. Right rear door has a couple of small dents, light hail, good private, as well as the right hand side front door, also good private with light hail. Right power door mirror and a right front 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a centre console that is black, automatic type, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.